Hi, everybody. It's Andrew Shickyar again from FIDO Alliance. I'd like to welcome you to day 2 of our Authenticate Virtual Summit, a focus on APAC innovation. I thought yesterday had great content. We were happy to provide you with a number of updates from a global perspective, as well as insights from our FIDO China working group and our FIDO India working group. India in particular, I think, is going to be a very interesting spot to watch as we move forward in 2022. We have invigorated leadership thanks to the chairmanship of DJ Ghosh from Visa, and a lot of interesting opportunities in India, which is a space we've been working on for several years. Pivoting to today's agenda, this morning, we'll provide you with some kind of broad perspective from Steve Wilson. We'll talk about authentication trends and insights in the region. You'll then hear from Transmit Security, one of our signature sponsors, followed by insights into Microsoft's passwordless vision. As you know, Microsoft's one of the key stakeholders in FIDO Alliance. They've realized this both in product that they're bringing to market, as well as in implementation by allowing Microsoft account holders to go passwordless. You'll then hear a case study from Gemini, who's a crypto exchange, understanding how crypto exchanges can and should be protected with FIDO authentication. The afternoon block today will be from Korea, where you'll hear from FIDO Korea leadership, as well as many other leaders in the region, and then many case studies. Korea has long been an area of great innovation and early adoption for FIDO authentication, and so it follows that we have so many interesting perspectives to share with you today in the Korean segment. Now, last but not least, today you'll hear from kind of the ASEAN/ANZ block. And I know it sounds like a catch-all, but this is an area of actually a lot of growth for FIDO Alliance where we don't have a bespoke working group. So it's been really interesting to see a lot of new implementations, particularly in the ASEAN areas, and say Thailand, Malaysia, where they're leveraging FIDO's open standards, both for mobile user use cases, as well as for a number of government-driven and regulatory-driven implementations and guidelines. So that will wrap up your day today in the third session. Before I go, I'd like to thank again our sponsors for this event who've helped make this happen. So we appreciate all their support and their investment and their ongoing promotion of FIDO authentication. So with that, I'm happy to wrap up and turn things over to Steve Wilson, who will talk about authentication trends and insights throughout Asia Pacific. Thank you and have a good day.